Good morning students. Welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 5 natural numbers and whole numbers. Now let us start exercise 5e. Okay. So in that first question, find the difference between the largest number of 4 digits and the smallest number of 6 digits. Okay. So you have to find the difference between largest number of 4 digits. So what is the largest number of 4 digits? Largest number of 4 digits, we know it is 9999. Okay. Now smallest number of 6 digits. Smallest number of 6 digits, it is 1 lakh. 1,000,000. This is the smallest 6 digit number. We have to find their difference. Okay, therefore their difference equal to, you can write a 1 lakh first. Okay, 1,000,000. 1 lakh minus 9,999. Okay, now finding their difference, what we will get? Here 10, here 10, then 9, here also 10, 9, 10, 9, here also 10, 9, here 0. So 1, here 0, 0, 0, 9. You will get 90,001. Okay, this is the difference between largest number of 4 digits and smallest number of 6 digits. Okay. Third question, the product of two numbers is 528. If the product of their units digit is 8 and the product of their tens digit is 4, find the numbers. So what is given in the question? Two numbers are there. Okay, their product, it is 528. Okay, if you multiply the two numbers, you will get a 528 as answer. Now, if the product of their units digit is 8 and the product of their tens digit is 4, find the numbers. Next, what is given? The product of their units digit is 8. That means, if we take the units place digit from both the numbers and if we multiply that two digits, you will get 8 as answer. രണ്ട് നമ്പറിൻ്റെയും യൂണിറ്റ് പ്ലേസിൽ കിടക്കുന്ന ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് എടുത്ത് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ 8 ആണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആൻസർ കിട്ടുക. സിമിലർലി ദ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദെയർ ടെൻസ് ഡിജിറ്റ് ഇസ് 4. സോ രണ്ട് നമ്പറിൻ്റെയും ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസിലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റ് എടുത്ത് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ 4 ആണ് ആൻസർ കിട്ടുക. ഓക്കെ, find the numbers. So here product of units digit, it is 8. So which two numbers on multiplying you will get 8? ഏതൊക്കെ രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് 8 ആൻസർ കിട്ടുക? വി നോ 1 into 8 it is 8 and 2 into 4 it is 8. ഓക്കെ, സോ അതിൽ 1 into 8 ഈ കോമ്പിനേഷൻ അല്ലാതെ വേറെ 2 into 4 equal to 8 let us take. Okay, 2 into 4 equal to 8. So if the first number has 2 in its units place, then the second number will have 4 in its units place. First numberൽ 2 ആണ് യൂണിറ്റ്സ് പ്ലേസിൽ വരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ സെക്കൻഡ് നമ്പറിൽ 4 ആയിരിക്കും അതിൻ്റെ യൂണിറ്റ്സ് പ്ലേസിൽ വരിക. ഓക്കെ, അവർ കണ്ടീഷൻ ഇസ്, വാട്ട് ഇസ് അവർ കണ്ടീഷൻ? രണ്ട് നമ്പറിൻ്റെയും യൂണിറ്റ്സ് പ്ലേസിലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് 8 ആണ് കിട്ടുക. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്പറിൽ 2 ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സെക്കൻഡ് നമ്പറിൽ 4 ആയിരിക്കും യൂണിറ്റ് പ്ലേസിൽ ഉണ്ടാവുക. നേരെ തിരിച്ചുള്ളതും പോസിബിളാണ്. ഇഫ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ കണ്ടെയ്ൻസ് 4 ഇൻ ഇറ്റ്സ് യൂണിറ്റ്സ് പ്ലേസ് മീൻസ് സെക്കൻഡ് പ്ലേസ് വിൽ ഹാവ് 2 ഇൻ ഇറ്റ്സ് യൂണിറ്റ്സ് പ്ലേസ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്പറിൽ 4 ആണ് യൂണിറ്റ്സ് പ്ലേസിലെങ്കിൽ സെക്കൻഡ് നമ്പറിൽ 2 ആയിരിക്കും യൂണിറ്റ്സ് പ്ലേസിലുണ്ടാവുക. ബിക്കോസ് 2 into 4 equal to 8. 4 into 2 is also 8. Okay, now let us take a tens digit. Product of tens digit, it is 4. Okay, so which two digits on multiplying you will get a 4? 1 into 4 equal to 4. Now 2 into 2 equal to 4. So let us take this 1 into 4, let us ignore this and take a 2 into 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4. let us take that combination, 2 into 2, 4. Okay, so here if the first number has 2 in its tens place digit, mean second number also have 2 in its tens place. Okay, first number tens place 2 ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ second number tens place 2 തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും, because 2 into 2 you will get 4. Okay, similarly here also in the second case also, if the first number contains 2 in tens place, means second number also contain 2 in its tens place. So here two numbers we got. If the first number is 22, second number will be 24. Okay, it satisfy the conditions. Product of units digit, it is 2 into 4, 8. Okay, product of tens digit, 2 into 2, it is 4. And in the second case also, if the first number is 24, the second number is 22. Therefore the two numbers are 22 and 24. Okay, their product, if you multiply 22 and 24, you will get 528 as answer. Okay, fourth question, does there exist a number a such that a division a equal to a? So we know that 1 divided by 1 equal to 1. So what we can say, there exists a number a such that a division a equal to a for what value of a? If a equal to 1. എയുടെ വാല്യൂ 1 ആയിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാം, എ ഡിവിഷൻ എ ഈക്വൽ ടു എ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു നമ്പർ എക്സിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് പറയാം. സോ ദ ആൻസർ ഇസ് യെസ് ഫോർ എ ഈക്വൽ ടു 1. ഓക്കെ, ഫോർ എ ഈക്വൽ ടു 1, എ ഡിവിഷൻ എ ഈക്വൽ ടു എ, ദാറ്റ് നമ്പർ എക്സിസ്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, fifth one, divide 5936 by 43 to find the quotient and remainder. Also check your division by using the formula dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here first you have to divide 5936 by 43 and find its quotient and remainder. Okay, so on dividing 5936 by 43, what we will get? 43 into 1, 43. Now here 6, here 1, 3 you can write down, 163. Now 43 into 3, what we will get? 3 into 3, 9, 129. 43 into 4, it is 172. So let us take this. 43 into 3, 129. Now on subtracting, what we will get? 34. Now 6 we can write down, 346. Now 43 into 8, let us check. 8 into 3, 24. 8 into 4, 32. 32 plus 2, 344. So we can take this. 43 into 8, 344. The remainder will be 2. Okay, therefore what is the quotient here? Quotient equal to 138. This is the quotient. So quotient equal to 138 and remainder equal to, this is the remainder equal to 2. Next we have to check our division by using this formula, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now let us see divisor into quotient plus remainder. If you are getting 5936 means the division is correct. Okay, this is dividend 5936. This is quotient 138. This is divisor 43 and remainder it is 2. So let us find divisor into quotient plus remainder. If you are getting 5936 means the division is correct. Okay, so divisor it is 43 into quotient it is 138 plus remainder it is 2. Okay, So BODMAS, as you know, first you have to do multiplication, then only addition. Equal to 43 into 138. The answer is 5934. Okay, so 5934 plus 2. What is it? 5934 plus 2, it is 5936, which is equal to our dividend here, 5936. Therefore, our division is correct. Okay. Next topic, patterns. A pattern is an arrangement of numbers, shapes, etc. So, arrangement of numbers, shapes, etc. according to some rule. It is called a pattern. Okay. So, you can see here examples 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, etc. This is a pattern. Okay. On adding 3 to the number, you will get the next number. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 3, 13, etc. Okay. Now here second one, 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square. Next it will be 8 square plus 10 square, etc. Even numbers square it is. Okay. This is also a pattern. And these two are patterns, arrangement of shapes. That means geometrical patterns it is. Okay. Now exercise 5F. First question, for each pattern given below, write the next 3 steps. So you have to write the next 3 steps in the given pattern. First one, 1 into 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Now 12 into 9 plus 2 equal to 110. 123 into 9 plus 3 equal to 1110. So what will come next? Here you can see first 1, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So next it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 into 9 plus. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. Then next it will be 4. Okay, so 1234 into 9 plus 4 equal to. Now here first it is 10, then 110, then 1110. Next it will be 11110. Okay, so that will come in the 4th step. Now 5th step it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 9 plus 5 equal to 111110. 1,11,110. Okay. Now 6th step it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 9 plus 6 equal to 111,111. 6 ones. Okay. And 0. Okay. Now let us see the second one. 9 into 9 plus 7 equal to 88. 98 into 9 plus 6 equal to 888. 987 into 9 plus 5 equal to 8888. You have to write the next 3 steps. So you can see here 9, 98, 987. So next it will be 9876. Okay. Into 9 plus. Next 765. Then next number it will be 4 equal to 88, 888, 8888. Next it will be 88,888. Okay, 5 8s. Similarly, next 5th step it will be 98765 into 9 plus 3. Descending order it is 76543. Okay, equal to number of 8 increases. Here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5, here 6 8s. 888, 888. Okay, then next 98765 into 9 plus 2 equal to 7 8s you can write 888 8888. Okay, do the next 2 as homework.
Next topic, magic square. A magic square is an arrangement of different whole numbers in the form of square such that the sum of the numbers in each horizontal line, in each vertical line and in each diagonal is the same. So a magic square means if you take numbers in any ways, in row wise you take, in column wise you take, in diagonal wise you take, the sum of the numbers will be the same. Here you can see one magic square 294,753,618. Okay, so in this magic square you can see this is first row 2, 9 and 4. Okay, on adding 2 plus 9 plus 4, what you will get? It is 15. Similarly, 7 plus 5 plus 3 is also 15. 6 plus 1 plus 8 is also 15. Okay, now let us take a column wise. 2 plus 7 plus 6, that is 15. 9 plus 5 plus 1, that is also 15. 4 plus 3 plus 8, it is 15. Similarly, diagonal, this is diagonal. Okay, 2 plus 5 plus 8, it is 15. 4 plus 5 plus 6, it is also 15. So this is a magic square. Okay, if we take a row wise, column wise or diagonal wise, the sum of the numbers will be the same. This is called a magic square. Okay. Now exercise 5F, second question. Complete each of the following magic squares. First one, you can see a magic box here. You can complete that. Okay, what numbers will come in these blanks? You have to write. So here you can see this diagonal numbers. It is complete. This diagonal is complete. So let us take that sum. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. Okay, so sum of the numbers of this magic square, it will be 15. If we take a row wise, the sum will be 15. If we take a column wise, the sum will be 15. If we take a diagonal also, sum will be 15. Okay, that sum will be fixed in a magic squares. So now we can complete. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 2, you will get 15. This first row is completed now. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 2, you will get a 15. So 2 will come here. Now here second row, 9 plus 5, it is 14. 14 plus 1, you will get a 15. So 1 will come here. Okay. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, you will get 15. Now the magic square is completed. Okay, if you take a column wise also, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. Now diagonal wise, if you take 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 8 is also 15. Okay. Now second one, here also this diagonal elements are given. So let us take their sum. 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 10, 21. So in this magic square, the sum, if we take a row wise, column wise or diagonal wise, the sum of the numbers will be 21. Okay, from this diagonal we will get that 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 10, 21. Okay, now let us see. First row, 4 plus 8, it is 12. Now 12 plus what you will get a 21? 12 plus 9. So 9 will come here. Okay. So 4 plus 9, it is 13. 13 plus 8, 21. First row is okay now. Now let us do this column wise. Let us take here 2 numbers are there. You can find the third number. Okay. So 9 plus 7, it is 16. 16 plus 5, you will get 21. Okay. We are taking second column. So 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 5 only, you will get 21. So 5 will come here. Now let us take this column. Third column. 8 plus 10, 18. 18 plus 3, you will get 21. Okay. Now let us take a second row. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 11, you will get 21. So 11 will come here. Now third row. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, you will get 21. Okay, so 6 will come here. Now if we take in any base, let us take this column. 4 plus 11, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 10, 21. Now row wise if we take 4 plus 9, 13 plus 8, 21. 11 plus 7, 18 plus 3, 21. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 10, 21. If we take a diagonal wise also, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 10, 21. 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. So this magic square is also completed now. Okay, do the third one as homework.